Be safe, Kyle. Bring me something back from the rainforest.
Oh, no. The rainforest is very fragile. We must take only pictures and leave only footprints.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Did you know that right now, bulldozers are tearing down thousands of acres of rainforest every day?
Ah, man, this is gonna suck donkey balls. Please don't make me go on a choir tour, Mom, please.
Stan, you should be excited. I would love to see the rainforest. Besides, your dad and I need some time alone.
No!